like in any culture, any business, any how would you say it? In any trade, you gotta learn. You gotta do the homework. You gotta study. You know, you gotta talk to people. You gotta be very uncomfortable to understand what's happening. And if you still feel the love for it, you go after it. You know, you take a chance. You know, I asked questions, people told me the answers. If I didn't get what I liked, I asked somebody else. So I got what I wanted, and then I went after it. I went to the place and asked the person, how do I book a show here? How much does it cost? They told me it costs nothing. I pay a tax. I said, fine. I called all the artists I knew who I met, asked them if they wanted this date. I wrote everything down, too. Wrote everything down on paper. You know, and I read it back to myself, make sure it made sense. You know, I practiced it before I got on the phone, hit up each artist, or online. I tried to meet them first. I seen everybody perform before I booked them. Because hearing them on the record and different in person is different. It might be their first time, second time, because they all told me this. You know, if it was their first time, they told me. I said, then you go first, yo. Make sure you come so you can rehearse, get comfortable, don't drink too much, don't smoke too much. Because this is all gonna get filmed. I thought that in mind too. I said, yo, I'm gonna document everything I do. I said to myself when I wanted to do this, I said, yo, I'm gonna document it all. Because I watched other hip hop artists do the same thing. They always had cameraman, their homie holding the camera. Back in the day, either taking pictures, videoing everything. It was very important to document your whole journey. Because eventually, if you did something and it caught on, and other people wanted to invest, yo, you had traction from way back when, people talking, but you had facts to back it up. You know, it's very important for the young. Document everything you're doing. It doesn't matter if it's small. You collect cars, die-cast, you build Legos, film yourself doing it. You know, even if you don't become famous, it's just something to look back at and show your growth. You might be building houses after that, you know, 10 years, 15 years later. You don't remember where it came from, you know? So it's good just to document everything you do. You know, I'm documenting today. I was documenting you, documenting all mental. Because it's important for us to have somebody else documenting what we're doing, you know? Even a young person, you teach them, it's important, you know? Somebody like them is gonna see this online and wonder who did the behind the stuff, you know? Who captured that? Somebody's asking these questions, so why not give them the information? This is the age of that. Let's give it all to them. Not everybody's gonna take it and do it, but we need to give people this information. Stop hoarding it. You know, that's the reason why I got into the game, for real. You know, All Mental's my young bro, and I watched him grow, and I did my part. I got my radio station, added my element, more old school, Caribbean, hip hop, you know, add the fun element, you know, club, that's part of Jersey and New York, you know, Chicago, you know, it's all about unity and having fun, yo.